So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, from the title of the video, you might have understand what is the topic of discussion today and what will be the agenda we will be discussing here. So today's topic of discussion is about the resume or most awaited video on this channel. Like a lot of people have pinged me on the LinkedIn or the comment section that what are the resume we should prepare for. So here is the video for that. And here I will be discussing about the 3 resume which you should go through it and whenever if you are applying for the support associate role or engineer one, you can definitely try mentioning these points on which I'll be discussing here in the video. Okay. So I won't be providing the resume on the description because I need to maintain the privacy of the candidate and I already have removed the name and the details of the candidate in order to maintain the confidentiality, right? So here, without wasting much time, let's go to the video and let's see if you can able to see the screen. Here I am showing the candidate Z. I have just mentioned the name as a Z only. So if you just see here, the person has mentioned firstly about the like. If you just see here, firstly note that it's a person who has a college graduate, right? It's a 2023 pass out. So if you see, it's for a cloud associate role, right? Because if you might have gone through the description of the job, right? It mentioned that if you are applying cloud support associate, you should have an experience of 0 to 1, and if you are applying for cloud support engineer 1, then you have an experience of 2+, right? So here, if you just see the resume, the person has around 0 to 1 year experience only. If you just see the work experience, it's mentioned as 6 months, around 6 to 7 months only. Okay, and here if you just see it's 2023 pass out, then they have mentioned about that college journey because college student, so might they don't have much things to mention on the resume, right? So they don't even know you because you are just a college graduate pass out, right? They what have done in the like when they were intern, okay. And here if you see at the bottom, they have mentioned about the technical skills. The person mentioned about the technical skills, like the person is well with Java, Python, data has work because person work on a data analyst, right? So the person might have be well versed with the database services, okay. And then coming to that, the person is also in the cloud certification as well, right? That might if you have the certification, then you can add that. If you don't know, that's fine also as well, right? So that is the thing. You can take a screenshot of that, and you can just, if you want, you can take a reference from him. Okay. Now coming to the resume of candidate Y. So at the top, the person mentioned about his phone number, ID, Gmail ID, and LinkedIn ID. Okay. And this person, if you note, he has a 2+ year of experience. Okay. So this resume will definitely go for cloud support engineer. Okay. The person mentioned about his master's and bachelor's degree. Like because the person is 2022 pass out and he has a 2+ year of experience. Then he mentioned about his work experience because if you see, it's a experienced person, right? So he has mentioned about the daily roles and responsibility, what he is doing in the company. Forward, he mentioned about the projects, right? If you just see, he has mentioned the tools or the services of the AWS which he used for that particular project, and he has also mentioned about the things. If you see, like what is the outcome of that project, right? If you mention reduce deployment time by 50, that is the kind of impact he has mentioned by project. Okay. Now he has mentioned a second project, right? Here also mentioned GCP cloud he has used here, and he just also mentioned what is the thing outcome of that. Moving forward, he had project. Okay. So he has mentioned multiple project, which is making the his resume more good. And moving forward, he has mentioned about the technical skills as well, right? He just summarized the thing which he has mentioned above, right? He has mentioned the cloud platform, like this person has already worked with all the 3 cloud provider and the programming language on which he is well versed and his DevOps tools, right? And moving forward, he is certification as well. So if you see this person as a experienced person, that's why he has mentioned everything. And he has certification and overall the project is making this reviews good, right? So these are kind of CV which company expect you to make, right? Past resume and it X. So here this person is also kind of like this thing, summary of his job, or if you summary of his career objective, if you just see and moving forward, like and here is mentioned the experience as well. Like if you just remember the last resume candidate Y, here he also mentioned the same thing, right? Work experience, right? And this is a thing. So here he has mentioned about that thing, like first company where he worked and what his roles and responsibility. Moving forward, he was on the second company as well, where he has mentioned roles and responsibility. This person worked on a single company, so why he mentioned one company, and this person worked on 2 companies, that he mentioned 2 companies, right? And so here also mention the project. So if you just make a summary from all the three resume, projects are the foremost thing, right? More important thing. And he has mentioned the tuition qualification, then certification reward, same thing, technical skills, right? These are resume. Like if you want to take a screenshot, you can just refer them. Like whenever you are just applying to the cloud support associate or cloud support engineer role, so you can definitely go through them as well, right? So let me go through them again. So professional summary, XYZ. So these are the thing like okay. So this is the thing here. This person also here, right? Okay. So thanks guys for watching this video. So if you have any queries or anything you want to tell or if you want to uh, ask something, do mention in the comment section. Else you can directly ping me on the LinkedIn. Whenever I got a time, I will definitely reply to all you guys. Okay, all you guys messages. So guys, thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.